posting, based on conversations with Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Field Marshal Asim Munir of Pakistan, I agree to suspend the bombing and attack of Iran for a period of 2 weeks.
President Trump seconds ago taking to Truth Social to say that he has talked to Pakistani officials, and based on that conversation, he will agree to stop bombing for 2 weeks.
The double-sided ceasefire, as the president calls it, was brokered by Pakistan.
Lighter tone, I'm sure that now Donald Trump will be suggesting this peace prize for Asim Munir. Right now, all I can say that they enjoy a good relationship with both the countries. That's one of the reasons that they had played a role of an interlocutor. They had been interacting with them.